All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about why Tesla doesn't offer Apple CarPlay in their cars. 1. Tesla's proprietary system. Tesla has always prioritized creating a seamless, in-house experience. Instead of relying on third-party systems like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, Tesla uses its own software and infotainment system, which is deeply integrated with the car's hardware and features. This allows for more control and customization over the user experience. 2. Complete control over updates. With its own system, Tesla can push updates directly to the cars through over-the-air software updates. This gives them full control over the functionality and user interface, allowing for quick improvements and bug fixes without waiting for an external system like CarPlay to be updated. Number 3. Focus on Tesla's unique features. Tesla wants to keep the spotlight on their own features, like the Tesla app, navigation system, and other built-in services. Adding CarPlay would mean incorporating Apple's services, which could shift attention away from Tesla's own ecosystem. 4. Better integration with Tesla's electric tech. Tesla's system is designed to optimize the electric vehicle experience, from charging info to range estimations. Integrating CarPlay could complicate the overall system, as Apple's tech might not be as tightly linked to the specific needs of a Tesla electric vehicle. Number 5. Future possibilities. While Tesla doesn't currently offer Apple CarPlay, they could potentially add compatibility in the future if customer demand rises. For now, Tesla seems focused on pushing their own software to meet the needs of their drivers. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.